This is day 30, the final day of the mixed media craft card challenge that I set. So it's the last card we're going to be sharing. If you want to find all the others, they'll be in the description below, playlist shown on the screen, wherever. You can just go and look on my channel. So it's the last one, and it's this one especially for my mum. So if you want to join me, let's get started and make one of these. You're going to need a piece of card folded in half, or a card blank as your basic card. Mine's 7 inches by 5 inches, but you can make any size you like. And then you want some pretty papers, and that's all we're using here really. And you can see some pens if you want to draw on it. So I quite like to rip my papers up by putting a metal ruler on it and just pulling along, and you get a really nice edge. Just gives it a bit more interest, that's all. Obviously, you could just get the scissors out and cut nice, neat rectangles. But the whole concept of this card is built on lots of different rectangles, different sizes, and just glued in place. All I'm using is an ordinary glue stick. So you've probably got one in your drawer somewhere. And it's a great way of using up those little bits of paper that you keep because you know they're going to be useful. You know you're going to use them up, but you can end up with quite a stack of them. And this is a great way to get creative and enjoy using them. You can see here I've got some scraps of handmade paper with a bit more texture. So I've cut that with scissors because it'll not rip along the ruler quite so well, or at least I don't find it does. So I'm just putting my rectangles all in the same direction, if you like. I'm not doing them at jaunty angles. They're either vertical or horizontal, but you can experiment and do what you like. But if you stick to the same sort of colour palette, and just rectangles, you can't go wrong. It will look pretty, okay? Now, if you don't have a ready supply of scraps of paper left over, you can always get papers that coordinate by just getting one of these little booklets or something that I've got here where they all go together. And then you could just use those to build up whatever effect you want. If you're enjoying this video, please could you give it a thumbs up so it spreads to more people. I need to try and remember to ask that in my videos. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just carrying on with the rectangles. I'm back to using my ruler, but it's all really simple and straightforward. And I'm having them so they overlap, but I'm not worried about some of the white coming through at the back. I think it all just adds to give it a bit more detail, make it even prettier. And then what I'm going to do now is use this paper more than once, and that will bring it together even more. So I'm going to add another bit of this paper in that top right, I think. Let's see how it looks. What you will have noticed is this is really organic. I'm just trying them on, seeing where I like them, and then sticking them in place. So it's actually really relaxing to do. It's really, really nice. And then if you want to, you can also draw on it, as I'm going to here, and I'm simply going to do some nice hearts, and I'm going to do them all over so it brings it all together. You can do shading, a bit of paint, whatever. It just can bring it together if that's what you like. And then it's simply a case of adding a greeting. Now, I've got lots of these greetings and you can get them for free from my website. So I'm going to put a link in the description below and one on the screen. They're for all different occasions, not just for your mum. So yeah, please feel free to go and get those and download them for free. And you'll see I'm sticking this on with the little sticky foam pads. Just gives it a little bit of depth, makes a bit more interest on the card, and I just like that. But if you haven't got any, just glue it on with your glue stick. It's absolutely fine. And there we go, a really pretty card that I know my mum will love to receive in the post. So good luck with your card.